Welcome back, everyone. Today we're gonna make a classic margarita. A few simple ingredients here, and put it in my little cactus margarita glass, and let's get started. So, sorry. Pretty easy, right? Let's take a look. You see that? Get a little fancy margarita salt, you know? That's pretty good. But choose your favorite tequila. That's salt. Still pretty good. If you don't like the salt, don't put the salt around the ring. I like the salt. And you can make it with a gold tequila or regular tequila. It's really up to you. But this is a classic margarita. And I'm gonna enjoy this, watch a movie. Start this, there's like a new Star Wars series I'm gonna watch tonight. So have a great night everyone. Like and subscribe. Take care. And I'll see you guys in the next episode after my trip to, I got a work trip, but after my work trip. And we'll make something else tasty or delicious. You never know. Anything is possible. All right, take care, everyone. All right, bye-bye.